Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to install a molecular dynamics simulation software called GROMACS. GROMACS is free and open source MD simulation software. It is used to simulate macromolecules in different environments. This is the installation guide to a GROMACS. I am going to install the GROMACS in the Ubuntu system. You can use any Linux distribution. GROMACS is available as a source code. So first we have to compile the source code. Second, we have to install the GROMACS. These are a list of commands used with some minor changes, which will be explained now. Before compiling and installing, the system must have some prerequisites, that is, CMake and build essentials. So these are the two prerequisites are required to install the GROMACS in the Ubuntu. So first of all, update the repositories by giving this command sudo apt update. Then install the CMake by this command sudo cmake. That's how the CMake is installed successfully. Then next we are going to install the build essentials. So to install the build essentials, give the command sudo apt install build essential. Now the build essential is also installed. That's all. The two prerequisites are completed. Next, to download the GROMACS, search in Google for download GROMACS, or I will provide the link in the description. The link will be gromacs.org/downloads. Download the newer version of the GROMACS. To download the GROMACS, go to this link, download here. This version, February 22, 2022, is the latest version. Till now, click any one of the two links to download the source code. So it will take some time to download. After downloading, open the folder where the GROMACS is present and right-click on anywhere and click Open in Terminal. The terminal will be opened, which will be pointing to the corresponding folder, that is Downloads folder. The source code is downloaded as an archive file. First, we have to unpack the archive. To unpack the archive, give this command tar xfz and file name. You should give the file name that we have downloaded now. Then go into the extracted folder by giving the command cd and folder name. This is the folder name. Now create a folder named build in this folder. To do this, give this command mkdir build. Now the build folder is created. This is the build folder. Then go inside the build folder by giving this command cd build. Now we are going to build the source code for your system by this command cmake and followed by these lines. Now the make files are created. Then give the command make. This will take a long time to compile the source code. Now the make command is completed. Then give the command make check. This will also take some time depending on your system. Now the make check command is also completed. Till now the compilation is over. Now we have successfully compiled the source code. Next we are going to install the GROMACS. To install the GROMACS, give this command make install. That's all. Finally source the file by this command source and path through the GMX file. This command may give error. Even though this command gave error, the GROMACS will be installed correctly. To check whether the GROMACS is installed correctly or not, give the command GMX. This will provide the list of commands and instructions. So the GROMACS is successfully installed. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.